Welcome to Stardust Travelers. This is my anchor chain. It's an old anchor chain. It was completely rusted out. I've been soaking it for about 3 weeks in vinegar and water. So this is what it looks like now. And we're gonna see what it looks like once I clean it up. Once I clean it up, as you can tell, it's still rusty, but the secret to this is, see how you shake it off? The vinegar pulls the rust away from the chain. So I gotta clean that. Then once I get all the rust composites built up off of it, I'm gonna spray it down really good, and then I'm gonna paint it. And then I'm gonna have a new anchor chain. So let's see how this goes. Been watching Facebook a while, learning these techniques. So let's see what happens. Still gotta do a lot of cleaning, but I mean, it's a long chain, so, but this is the beginning. So I'll check you in a second. See how that rust comes off of there? Look at that piece right there.